See, I ain't never had no fun by myself. Y'all gotta help me. Let me do that again. See now. I don't want you to make my bed. I don't want you to have no rub my head. I don't want you when I'm sad and blue. I just wanna make love to you. Yeah. I can tell by the way you sit and walk, see by the way that you baby talk. I can know by the way that you treat your man. I can love you, baby, till it's up until love. Give it to me. I ain't gonna do it no more.
Oh, no.
And my friend Bobby Rush made a song called Chicken Head. It goes like this.
Damn.
Cook that chicken and save me the head. Sure did work from home instead. Crazy about the chicken head. Some like a wing, some like a breast, some like a leg. Save me the head. Talking about chicken head. Now look here. But loving you so doggone strong. Don't like to be such a rolling on. Loving you was a doggone crime. I be sitting in jail doing a flat 99. Crazy. Now wait a minute. Let me show you something else about blues. Now don't say nothing yet. I got something I want to tell you. If you listen to blues, not Buddy Guy, that's all blues. There's always something there that don't touch you, that touch somebody else that you know. Now this song here, ladies and gentlemen, just hold on, I'm gonna show you something. Hold on, I'm gonna show you something about blues. Now look straight up into the sky. And what you see?
Cloudy day.
What you feel?
Rain. Feels like rain.
Like shit. It's a cloudy, gloomy day.
Down here, the river meets the sea.
Oh, he has a beautiful face. Oh my gosh.
In the stick of heat, I can feel you when you open up to me. Love, come around the sky. And it feels like rain. And it feels like rain. Lying here underneath the stars, woo, Lord, right next to you. I'm wondering who you are and how do you do? How do you do, baby? Clouds rolling across the moon, and the wind out your name, and it feels. You can say it louder than that, I wouldn't care. And it, all right. Shit.
Hey Nick, does it feel like rain?
I can't hear you.
Like rain.
I hear that one. And it feels
Like rain.
like rain.
Do you want to be in my selfie?
So put down baby. And I want you to leave your troubles up your sleeve. The stormy weather, baby. There ain't no cause for us to leave. Just like here in my arms. that. You
I
could
could
do
do
that.
that.
Try. Try it again.
And it feels like
Now, you know, I told you earlier I don't like to curse. If you fuck that song, I'm gonna point out that. I'm gonna point out that some shit to fuck up now. And it feels like rain. And it feels like rain. Thank you. Thank you so much.
very nice, very
Thank you
nice.
so much, Washington. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Like I said, if you think enough of us to come listen to it in this kind of weather, ladies and gentlemen, I owe you everything I got. And I'm gonna give you the best that I got because, you know, a lot of great musicians, I was just telling to the young man that opened the show, let's give him a big hand.